Hi guys, this is the demo video for the NB ACO version 3.2.0. We have been working on this for several months and now we are finally releasing it and we hope you like it. You can download this latest version from our Discord server. You can find it in the ACO announcements channel. Once you have downloaded the zip file, locate the zip file and extract it. To extract it on Windows, right click on the file and click on extract all. And if you are on Mac OS, just double click on it and it should extract the folder within. Once you have extracted the dist folder, go into your Chrome, click on the three dots on the top right hand corner, go into more tools and extensions. You can either do this way or just visit the link chrome://extensions. Once you have reached here, turn on developer mode and then click on load unpacked. Now locate the dist folder that you just extracted and select it or open it if you are on Windows. Now the ACO has been installed into your Chrome. Finally, turn off developer mode. Next, we'll be pinning the NB ACO to our Chrome browser for easy accessibility. To do that, click on the extensions icon on the top right hand corner and then pin the NB ACO. Once you have pinned it, open the NB ACO. Here you will be prompted to log in using the ACO key provided to you. Enter the ACO key and then log in. Once you have logged in, you will be able to see the new user interface and we'll be going through all the different tabs. Firstly, the sizes tab. Here you will be entering your size preferences in order. For example, in an in-stock product, if all three sizes are available, then the ACO will proceed to checkout for UK10 in this case. If your preferred size 1, which is UK10, is not available, then the NB ACO will try to check out UK9, which is your second size preference. And similarly with size 3. Now, if all three sizes are not available, then the ACO will try to check out a random size. So you do not need to worry about your size preferences not being in stock. Next, once you have entered all your sizes, for example 9.5, 10 and 7, click on save and go back. Next, the settings tab. Here you can change the refresh rate from 0 seconds to 8 seconds. From our testing, we would say that 2 seconds and 4 seconds are the most useful. The ACO switch here provided is for when you are trying to browse any website, for example Myntra, Superkicks or Veg Non-Veg manually. You will have to turn the ACO off so that it does not interfere with the website. So you can do that by just clicking on this toggle button and saving it. Once you have done that, the ACO should now be off. To turn the ACO back on, click on this button again and click on save. Now the ACO should be on. Next is the link opener tab. We'll be coming back to this later on in the video. The next available tab is the profile tab. Here you can see a summary of all your details, your ACO key, your size preferences and your refresh rate. Now let's get into the demo. First, we'll be demonstrating the NB ACO on a random Myntra product. I'll open this product in the Chrome browser and as you can see, the ACO is taking me through the entire procedure and has placed the order successfully as well within seconds. Our NB ACO has a Myntra CAPTCHA solver, which is our own AI model, which has an accuracy of 95.2%, and because of that, the entire procedure is automated and you don't even need to press a single button. The ACO selects COD as your payment method by default and places the order for you. Now let's see how the ACO works on an out of stock product or an upcoming product on Myntra. As you can see, the ACO is constantly refreshing the product looking for restocks. It will continue to do so until the product comes in stock and then continue to check out. For this purpose, we recommend you setting the refresh rate 2 seconds or 4 seconds. This refreshing feature also works on your Myntra cart. And to demonstrate that, I'll be selecting an out of stock product that is currently in my cart and refreshing the cart page. As you can see, the ACO is checking for the out of stock product, and once it comes in stock, it will continue to place the order. Let's now see the working of the NBA ACO on veg.nonveg.com. First, I'll be demonstrating it on a hyped product. As you can see, the ACO is trying to enter the queue for UK7 as that is the only size available, and it has successfully added me to the queue. Once I get the pair, the ACO will also automatically redirect me to the payment page, so you just have to make the payment to get the pair. As you can see, I've won the pair and it should automatically redirect me to the payment page, as so. Now let's see the demonstration of the ACO on a non-hyped veg-non-veg product. As you can see, the ACO is adding UK7 to my cart as that was the only size available, and it is continuing with the checkout procedure. All I need to do is make the payment as the ACO automatically takes me to the payment page as well. Similar to Myntra, the ACO also works for out of stock products on veg non-veg, and it will keep refreshing it based on the refresh rate mentioned in the settings. Moving on to Super Kicks, now I'll be demonstrating the ACO on a random product. As you can see, UK10 is the only size available, and the ACO is adding it to my cart and completing the entire checkout procedure, redirecting me to the final payment page. Some of the products on Superkicks have a human detection captcha, as so, and all you need to do is click on the captcha button when prompted by the ACO, and the ACO does the rest of the procedure for you. And as you can see, it has directed me to the payment page. The ACO also works on an out of stock Superkicks product. It keeps on refreshing the page till the product comes in stock and then completes the entire procedure for you. The ACO also notifies you over on Discord when you win a pair. So as you can see over here, whenever I had a successful checkout, the ACO has sent me a message. Next, let's move on to another new feature of our ACO, that is the link opener. What the link opener does is whenever there's a new product or a restock that is pinged on our Discord server, the link opener will automatically open that link in your Chrome browser and then continue with the entire checkout procedure for you. This works best with Myntra when paired with the CAPTCHA solver, as when you get the notification, the link opener automatically opens it for you in the Chrome browser and the entire order is placed. You don't even have to lift a finger. So I'll be demonstrating this, and for the demo I'll be selecting all the websites and then clicking on start. And when the sample ping comes in, you can see that the link opener will automatically open it in my Chrome browser and also continue with the checkout procedure. In this section of the video, we'll be discussing some additional information and tips. You need to have your veg non-veg Superkicks and Myntra accounts logged in. In the accounts that you have logged into, you also need to have your addresses saved. To ensure that you've done this correctly, try manually placing an order for multiple products on each of the websites. Once you've done that, then you can turn the ACO on and the ACO should work fine. Next, Veg Non-Veg has a really good anti-bot system, and to tackle this, you need to show some human activity on their website every day. So just follow the following steps. Click on the NB ACO icon on the top right hand corner, go into settings and toggle the ACO switch off. Then click on save. Once you have done this, open any non-hyped product, select any random size and add it to your bag. Wait for the product to be added to your bag, then go into your cart and remove the product. Now you can click on the NB ACO icon again, go into settings and turn the ACO back on. This should ensure that your ACO works flawlessly every day. The link opener has a blacklist feature. What this feature does is whenever a product link is added to the blacklist, it disables that product from automatically being checked out. This list is restricted to 25 products, so you can add all the bricks and non-hyped products to avoid unnecessary checkouts. The ACO can be used on multiple devices as long as it is connected to the same Wi-Fi connection. To do so, go to the reset ACO channel and send the reset command. Once you've done that, you can then install the ACO on another device that is connected to the same Wi-Fi connection and then activate across all your devices simultaneously. Similarly, you can also have your ACO installed on multiple Chrome profiles. Using the ACO on multiple Chrome profiles is more beneficial as it gives you a higher chance of copying a single product as well as copying multiple pairs of the same product. I'll be demonstrating how you can use the ACO on 2 different Chrome profiles, but you can do that with more than 2 as well. So here I have 2 different Myntra products that are out of stock. I'll refresh them once and the ACO will keep refreshing both these products for me and check out the product once it comes back in stock. That's the end for the setup video. We hope you like the new update and make the most out of it.